Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over, is basically Nowsite. And if you're new to my channel, or if you're not new to my channel, you've probably seen me talk about Nowsite and each individual features that they have. And it's a great platform. It's a great online marketing platform. All your online marketing needs for a small business or brands, all in one spot. So this video, we're going to go over just a summary of what it offers you and why you should not wait to hop on this one. They're constantly getting better. Every month, it seems like every month they're adding new stuff to it that works with each other, that helps you build your business online and just makes it mainstream. So it doesn't take a lot of time and doesn't take a lot of effort. It actually helps you just be successful. It basically gives you back what you got into business for in the first place, your time and money. So with that, we're going to dive right into this video and stay tuned. Don't leave, because it's an amazing video. And it's a little summary, and you'll like everything you see. It's going to show everything. I'll say everything. It's going to show Nowsite's, I should say, best features for online marketing, but a lot of their features, I would say all the features are actually essential. But yeah, so you'll see, and yeah, stay tuned and don't go nowhere.
So what's the number one thing people struggle with when it comes to marketing and building their brand? Leads and sales. Until now. What if you were able to plug in an email or a phone number and get back several pages of data on your prospect? Anything from specific interests, finances, hobbies, to their favorite foods, income, and how you should approach them. What would you do with such information? Do you see the value in knowing exactly how to approach your prospect due to the information you received in the report? Would this make it easier to close a sale upon contact? Well, now I bet you're asking yourself, but how is that possible? Through AI machine learning and a proprietary system that searches public records throughout the web and then curate and deliver to you in the form of a detailed report analysis about your prospect. Now, what if the same company that generated the report also sent you leads each month from a database of 1 billion people? Yes, you heard right, 1 billion people that you could plug into the system, get back a detailed profile report, and contact them after the pitch and see if they're interested in your product, service, or offer. Cool, right? Well, there's more. Imagine after reaching out to your prospect and sending information about your business or service, you were able to see and track when they viewed it, giving the perfect time to follow up and more. This is prospecting on steroids. So now that you have the best prospecting and lead tool, knowing that most people don't buy at first glance and need to see an offer multiple times before making a purchase, you'll need a way to contact them, follow up, and retarget and engage with the prospect without having to spend all day on the phone or in front of your computer sending out emails one by one to do so. That's where this comes in. The first all-in-one marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. So what can you do with this platform? For starters, you could create unlimited websites with free hosting and SSL at no extra cost. You can also create unlimited landing pages and capture pages to build your email list and follow up with your prospects. So what else can you do? As if that wasn't already enough, well, you can use the power of the SMS marketing with the ability to send text messages to your clients and prospects as well. Need more ads? No problem. Now you can purchase and run affordable retargeting ads with ease. Okay, that was a lot, but we're not done. AI-powered social marketing allows you to create niche-based relevant posts and content using machine learning so that you don't have to. Struggling to come up with the perfect post, email campaign, or blog entry? No worries. For a little extra, the company will create it for you. In fact, not only will they do that, but they also build out your entire website, blog, email campaigns, and daily posts, and anything else the system provides. We have 100% done-for-you service using AI machine learning and real people. Experts in the field to craft and construct exactly what you want and deliver in a timely manner, in most cases, within 24 hours. Full analytics, tracking, and CRM to manage all your leads, prospects, and daily activities. Team section to stay in touch with your organization as well as store important content for them to access like important documents, campaigns, websites you created, funnels, Zoom calls, PDFs, and downloads. You name it, you can store it, including anything you may have made within the system, and now you can one-click share it with your team. All of this and more, you can get started today for as little as $47 a month. Know others who would love to benefit from all of these amazing tools and services as well? Share and earn a lucrative residual income by referring other business owners and like-minded entrepreneurs to this platform. When they join or make a purchase, you earn a percentage each month they remain active. That can be extremely rewarding. Completely run your business and platform in the palm of your hands using our amazing mobile app at no extra charge. Like to travel? Well, one of the perks of joining the company as an affiliate or customer is the ability to earn reward points for using the system and running your business, and in turn being able to cash in those rewards for flights, hotels, trips, rental cars, and much more, just to name a few. So now that you heard all of that, my only question is, what are you waiting for to get started? For just $47 a month, which is less than $1.60 a day, you can be up and running with the best and only all-in-one marketing platform powered by AI and done-for-you marketing solution in minutes. So click the button below or get back with the person who shared this video with you so that you can get started and up and running today. Thank you and have a blessed day.
So as you can see in the video, it was an amazing video, very well done, and it's just, you can see the profile report and everything. That was my personal one. Nowsite did for me. It was amazing. It was actually mind blowing. It's almost eerie how accurate they were on certain things. Very nice, and it's just everything in one spot. You know, it had a ton of suites of different online marketing essentials that you need to be successful, that marketing agencies will charge you thousands of dollars to have them to do for you, and they're not even guaranteeing that you'll get the results that you want. So to be able to do this for the price that they're offering and what that minimal amount, it's amazing. The regular price is, I think it's $47 right now. And they're always doing deals, but I can get you a better deal. So if you want a discount like that, come get your boy. We got you. Hit me up. My number's in the description below. You can also just text me if you want to. I can get you a good price on that one too. Also on top of that, we get tons and tons of bonuses. Not on top of just the whole Nowsite itself, this platform that's more than amazing. When you come with us, on Team Elite, we get you a whole bunch of things, like a whole bunch of tools, and we do weekly trainings. Nowsite does trainings itself. It's just nonstop. We constantly give you value so you can be successful with your business. And it's not even towards just the Nowsite itself business. It's more along the lines of helping you marketing any business that you have. So yeah, guys, we're constantly giving. It's constantly growing. It's constantly getting better, non-stop. So, I mean, this is a tool that you do not want to miss out on. You do not want to leave out your tool belt. So if you're looking for success, this is where you're in the right place, and this is where you want to go. So with that, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment in the comments below, or hit me up on my cell phone, my direct line. That's my number is in the description below. You can text me or call me. It's me. So also, if this is your first time on my channel or watching one of my videos, do me a favor. Hit that big red button below. Yep, the subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell, hit all. And anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just released a new video and some new content. You may want to check this one out because you got value from this last one. So with that, guys, I'm not going to waste your time anymore. Like I said, I hope you got some value from it. If you did, share this with somebody. If you didn't, hit some likes. If you did, hit some likes. And yeah. So until the next one, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.